Mother of God, look at this beauty. This 2023 Freightliner Cascadia has a 10-speed manual transmission. This baby's loaded up with the EW4 Detroit extended engine and after treatment warranty until 500,000 miles or July 13th of this year, baby. You already know we are knee deep in brand new virgin drives. Got that air slide fifth wheel, got that ParkSmart APU, and let's not even talk about this color. My God, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that. This thing's got a 308 gear ratio, Detroit DD15 with 455 horsepower. Look at this interior. Look at this. Looking brand new, smelling brand new. 10-speed manual transmission. Got my guy Wes back here making everything look right. Double bunk. Got the aftermarket refrigerator, trailer brake, differential lock, suspension dump. Y'all, 392 in the mileage. This baby's going for $79.9. Oh, you see, we got the bunk access door too. $79.9, baby. Who's getting it? Who's getting it? You know what to do. Hit me up.